Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel Studyholic. As I've discussed earlier in the last lecture about cytoplasm, and now I'm gonna start the series of cell organelles. So, what are basically cell organelles? The cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell contains highly organized discrete structures which are specific for various cellular functions and they are known as cell organelles. Cell organelles are basically enclosed in a membrane with a few exceptions. One of it is ribosome. I'm going to start with the cell organelle. The first cell organelle I'm going to discuss is endoplasmic reticulum. Have a look on the definition of endoplasmic reticulum. Interconnecting network of cisternae extending between nuclear membrane and plasma membrane through cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells is known as endoplasmic reticulum. Here is the diagram. So there are two types of endoplasmic reticulums: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Let's discuss the first type, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. As the name indicates, rough, it is rough in its appearance if seen under electron microscope. According to its characteristics, the ribosomes are attached on its sides. And if we talk about its functions, RER is basically concerned with the protein synthesis because the ribosomes are attached to it, which are responsible for the protein synthesis. The second function, it is also responsible for the mechanical support to the cell, but to learn and keep in mind is the main function that RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, is responsible for the protein synthesis. Now move on to the second type, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. As the name indicates, smooth, it is smooth in appearance. Why? Because the ribosomes are not present in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. When the ribosomes are present, it makes the endoplasmic reticulum rough, that makes the type RER, and the part of endoplasmic reticulum where the ribosomes are absent, that is known as SER, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is continuous with the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now let's talk about its function. There are various functions of SER. The main function, the first function is metabolism. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in various metabolic processes, example metabolism of carbohydrates. The second function is detoxification. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for detoxification of drugs and poisons, especially in the liver cells. The third function is synthesis. It synthesizes lipids, including oils, phospholipids, and steroids. The next function is storage. It stores calcium ions. And when the calcium ions are released, they trigger the contraction of muscles. The last function is transport. It transports various cellular products within the cell or out of the cell. Example, it transports proteins from rough endoplasmic reticulum and also transported to the Golgi complex through smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So that was all about the endoplasmic reticulum. I hope you liked the video, and if you got the concept and if you like my format, so don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. I am solely sticking to the FBISE books concept, and if you guys need more about my topics, so I'll be looking through more books as well. Thank you, stay tuned.